I prefer to keep backup questions in my pocket rather than stack them all into one question. So let's say I asked the question I just shared there, and the guy's like, well, I don't really need to. Now I've got another question, which is, okay, well, if you don't need to, why not just put the money into your existing businesses rather than start something brand new? I've now got two questions to try and get to the truth, as opposed to putting all of my eggs in one basket. And then I'm like, oh, well, shit, I've asked both of those questions in one. Does that make sense?
That makes sense because I think it's a similar situation to me selling to these business owners, like, you know, investing in sales training, kind of like his
Yeah,
on crypto. Go ahead.
absolutely. I agree with you, Jeremy. Exactly. So it's like, Josh, you said, if you don't need to, why not put your money into your existing businesses and start something new? So with that, I'm kind of closing all the other doors in a sense. So they're telling me why they actually want to do this thing. Because, yeah, I think it's
It's
been,
just sorry to
yeah,
interrupt. It's just
yeah.
slightly different worded though. Like why not put the money in your business? They're going to say, well, yeah, I could do that. As opposed to, with the money that you have and the time that you have, why is blank crypto investing the number one thing you want to deploy that time and money into? In other words, I don't want them to say, oh, well, I could or I couldn't, or maybe, or a bit of, or whatever. I want it to be, you tell me why this is the number one choice for where you want to deploy
Mm,
money and time right now.
absolutely. Absolutely.
It's
I think
just
I've been
much more
trying to,
pointed.
absolutely. I think I've been trying to go down an angle of like, if you don't solve this with us, like what happens in the future that's negative, kind of like a consequence thing. But I think I need to focus much more on, you have all this other stuff going on. Also, why now? Right? Like,
Yeah.
why right now?
Why this and then why now? Yeah.
Hmm.
Clear?
When would you ask
Yes,
why
thank you.
with us? Why with us and why
Yeah,
now?
it's
Would that be
you,
kind of the
why.
order?
No, why with us is usually after they've told you the things that they need help with to get it figured out. Okay, that makes total sense. So then what was it about us that attracted you to being the people to give you the blank, the blank, the blank, and the blank? Why us? What I have to have the things they need to then be able to say, okay, why do you want those things from us?
Okay, so the why us would kind of come more after you asked all those other questions.
Yeah, it's like if you were selling spades to gold miners, someone goes into a row of shops that all sell spades, but they're all different brands. They've already gone to that row, that street of spade shops because they want a spade. Then, when they walk into one specific shop, is okay. Why did you walk into our shop? Why do you want our spades, not someone else's? You can't really, just go and take someone off the street that isn't looking for spades and say, why do you want to buy our spades? They're like, well, I wasn't even looking for spades. Make sense? How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.